GHL is great for reputation management. You can connect your Google Business Page account and you can set up automated reviews by AI. But I came across a problem. The native notification in GHL, you go to notification setting and then you can send the reviews to your clients. But it does not differentiate between a bad review and a good review. So I wanted my clients to know if it is a bad review, which is defined by 3 stars or lower, because for good reviews on 4 and 5 stars, we use the inbuilt AI to respond to those reviews. It works great. But our clients want to review the bad reviews and they want to manually respond to them. But there is no way for natively in HighLevel to send bad reviews and alert the clients about bad reviews. Otherwise, all the reviews go in, they had to open the email, see what the review is, and then respond to it. I tried to create a notification and a workflow in GHL and came across this issue, which I'm going to show you. Let's start from scratch and then say, let's call it bad review notification. Right, and then I was excited to see this trigger, which is new review received. So whenever the new review is received, and then you can add filters to the new review. So I can actually, you can say review rating, and then I'm going to say it's less than basically 4 stars, right? If it is less than 4 stars, I want this to be triggered, which is I consider as a bad review. Then I said, okay, send internal notification. So bad review alert, and then you can use the custom values where this review is coming from, Google or Facebook. So this is going to be my subject line. And then you can use the custom values. If you go to custom values, there is a new review received custom value. You can add reviewer name, rating, comment, and source. This is what the client needs. And then save action. So now, whenever a new review is received, which is 3 stars or less, the client is going to get a notification. You can set up an email, SMS, or in-app notification, and then save. And then, of course, don't forget to publish it. Okay, this is done. And this is what happened. If you go back here, it skipped that action. And if you click on, okay, why did the client not receive the internal notification? You can actually look at the details. If you go to the look at the details, it says the action requires a contact and none has been provided. So even for internal notification, you always need a contact. The problem is when you get these reviews from Google or Facebook, you just get the name. You will never get the email or phone number. And in HighLevel, for you to create a contact, you not only need a name, you need an email or phone number. You cannot have a workflow without a contact. So that's an issue. So the way I solve this problem is click here and then create contact. And then you can add the name, because name you can get from the review. So you can go to custom values, new review received, and then reviewer name. So whatever name they used, it will come. But the problem is this is not enough. You need either a phone number or email address. So the way I overcome this is I created a fake email address, email, and then I just said review@gmail.com and save action. This actually works, I verified. What happens is when a new review is received, it will have the name of the person and his email will be review@gmail.com, and then the client will get an internal notification. So what happens when another review is received? The existing client or contact information will be replaced in the CRM, which we don't need anyway because it's a fake contact, but the email will always say the same, review@gmail.com. This is a roundabout way to overcome the limitation in HighLevel for you to create a contact for any kind of workflow. I actually talked to HighLevel support. There is no other way to do it because you need a contact and there is no other workaround. So hope this is helpful so you can create your own workflow. This is just for trigger, for new review received trigger. But if any other trigger and you want internal notification without creating a contact, this is a way to do it.